just give a big loaf of your condensed glue gels, because then it's gonna hold the base of your pre-made roses. And want to do top coat. Hey, thanks so much everyone for hanging out here with me. Mika, hope the tutorials will be entertain you, so don't think about, like, just keep yourself busy. I wish you can drive, you can hang out here with me, but we are not allowed to go anywhere. Look at that glitter underneath. At first it looks plain, it doesn't have anything, and that's super cute. So I'm gonna place my flowers right there. Super cute. I'm gonna move her just a little bit down here. Ah, super cute. And I'm gonna do some leaves. Doesn't matter, you can move it around the way you want it. To the point you're happy with this. I'm gonna clear this. There you go. And then we're gonna do some leaves over here and down here. Ta-da! Okay, let's clear that. Make sure it stay on straight like that. Don't move. I really want to do this leaf on this nails, but also I want to do this big scully skull in this one. What do you think? I have too many ideas, and I'm just, sometimes I get overwhelming because, oh, I don't know what we're gonna do unless I do all 10 nails. Hey, thank you so much, Cece. All right, leaves or this super cute one? The skull, the leaves. Mix on the leaves. Like, you don't want to ruining that, huh? Look at the leaf. The leaf is super cute too. Aha. Super cute. The flowers stay on really nice. So let's do 40, which is I have the, so you don't have to do 2 colors. You can do one. It's funny that he was help me get some of them out, and you make a big beads like this. You can make it smaller beads. I have so many prepared for you. I would sit here and do. So if you want to do the leaf, I would take half of this, and what's my alcohol here, and what you need is one of a silicones brush, something similar, but I'm using ours. I'm using ours 3D Door 3D brush. It's really cool though, because if you see 2 thick band, it means your 3D brush. One end, it was your special silicone, the smallest size that it works the perfect with your 3D design, and the other end is for your acrylic. So I need another one too of this. Another one. And then you can get that first, or you can just like get it from right from the pot. It doesn't matter. I'm just getting a smaller size. It depends on the nails. If the nails are the longer size, like the length is longer, you can need a little bit more. So then you can do a little bigger. All right, so we are going to smaller one. Can you see it? Okay. go. Pick another. You can play one on the top. Hey File, hey, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. So you're gonna using the tips of your silicone and kind of blend it out. Don't give it too much of a pressures. Just gently touch. This is amazing things about this that you don't have to worry about until it's cured. It won't dry until you're like absolutely cured. So you have all the time in the world to really mold it. You can do it, mold your leaf first and then put your flowers, or you can do your flowers and put the leaf however you prefer. It doesn't matter. You can using a X-Acto knife and get that crease, but if you don't want to, you can using the tip of your 3D brush. It should take care of it for you. So I'm gonna leave using the tip of this, I'm gonna leave, like just leave it up just a little bit on the edges. To give a little bit of like 3-dimensionals. Sorry. If you need to, you can look in here and blend it nicely. You can do it first, you can do it later, it's up to you. I'm gonna leave it up just a little bit. There you go, you can see, if you can see that I leave just a little bit, it looks like. Do another one. This is really fun because you can do so many, and if you don't like it, you change your mind, absolutely. You can remove it off and then start over again. So it doesn't limit of what you can do. Sorry. Dipping the alcohol just a little bit. Let me turn that way. The sleeve, you can do it either the same type you would like to, or you can do it like a smaller. You get one lighter bead of your 40 and get one darker, and you can lace on. The lighters always have if you're doing the lighters like 70%, you're gonna get the darker one, it's just 30%. So then that way it's blending it nice naturally instead of it's gonna turn out really dark for you. So, or however, if you want darker one, you absolutely can. Right here. You can continue to do the other one. Let me go a bigger one and see how it's gonna turn out for us. Do this one. It's really cool. I love this 4D gel. It's so flexible. Consistency. That is the things about, like, if any of you like liquid and powder is one thing, but if all of you who work with the gels products, like if you're doing like gel X or extended gels, this will be something is so cool and fun for you to play with. Also, you can fulfill a lot of 3D cute flowers for your clients. You see, use just this. You don't need any other tool though, unless you want to. I don't know which one you needed it, because basically you just need your 3D brush, which is your special, this tool to help you create so many funs. So using the tips, and then you're gonna go like on the left side, and then you go on the right, and then you can see that all that the veins for the leaf. I just did it big because this flowers is huge. I love it. Well, it's not huge. The huge is as compared to like whole nails, but do you want more? Looking good. This good? If you're happy with this, want to keep this one for 60 seconds.